Just listed pool home in the Refuge with views. Welcome to this stunningly listed pool home, nestled in the prestigious Refuge community, renowned for its breathtaking views and serene living. A place where luxury meets comfort. Step into a spacious world of elegance with the two-bedroom, two-bathroom home, featuring a versatile den or office space. The heart of this home is the expansive living and kitchen areas. Imagine cooking in a gourmet kitchen with a sit-at island, perfect for entertaining or casual family meals. The home boasts a sophisticated split floor plan, ensuring privacy and space for everyone. The tall ceilings and 8-foot interior doors create an airy, open atmosphere, enhancing the feeling of luxury. It's not just a home, it's a statement of grandeur. Equipped with modern conveniences such as natural gas and underground utilities, this home represents a seamless blend of functionality and style. The property backs directly onto the fairway, offering unobstructed lake and mountain views. Step outside to your personal oasis featuring a sparkling pool and spa, perfect for relaxing or hosting lavish poolside gatherings. For car enthusiasts or those needing extra space, the 3-car garage is a dream come true. It features 22-foot and 43-foot bays, 8-foot doors, epoxy floors, and air conditioning, providing a perfect space for vehicles, boats, or a workshop. This home is also within walking distance to Iron Wolf Golf and Country Club. For more information on this home and to learn more about the real estate market, just head over to havasulu.com.